Hey everyone, so today we're showing you a very tasty but also very beautiful Turkish dish by the name of rose rolls. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified on our latest videos. So for this recipe, we're going to need 1 tablespoon yeast, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a cup of oil, 2 eggs, some water depending on the size of your eggs, and 1 cup of warm milk. You're also going to need 5 cups of flour, so first mix the sugar and the yeast into the milk, cover it, and let it rise for 10 minutes approximately. After 10 minutes, you can mix all the other ingredients with the flour. Now you have the option of adding water if it feels sticky. Cover the dough for 1 hour and let it rise. For the rest of the recipe, you will need cheese, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half cup of diced scallion, 6 chopped green chilies, half cup of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 600 grams of minced chicken, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So after heating your stir-fry pan, add oil and garlic first, and then add the minced chicken. After stirring those together for 2 minutes, add salt, pepper, scallion, coriander, green chilies, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then add flour and milk and stir thoroughly. Once it's sticky, turn off the heat. So once the dough is ready, you can just divide it into 20 equal parts. This will make 20 rose rolls. For each of the 20 parts, flatten the dough and cut it on 4 sides like seen in this video. Put a little bit of cheese and a little bit of the mixture we just made and fold your rose roll as seen in this video. It is a little bit complicated, but if you follow this very thoroughly, you can 100% do it. You can actually stuff this with whatever you want. It can also be sweet if you stuff it with chocolate or anything else. It's really up to you. Once you're done with your rose rolls, put them all in a tray and cover them with egg yolk. This will help give your rose rolls the shine in the end. Once you've preheated your oven at 200 degrees Celsius, you can bake the rose rolls for 20 to 25 minutes until they have that golden color. As you can see, our rose rolls are done and they look absolutely delicious. Not only do they taste delicious, they look delicious as well, so that's a bonus. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.